so good out in the sun. Color combo looks good. Love the tires. Give it that little aggressive look. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 34,686 miles on the odometer. Now, if you see any flickering here, that's just in camera. That is not in person. The off-road tires are actually pretty quiet. I thought they'd be a little noisy, but they ride really nice. It shifts really smooth. The steering wheel is slightly off center, just a little bit, but it drives perfectly straight. No shakes or shimmies in the wheel. I'm gonna hit the brakes here. Brakes are solid, no issues there. No shakes or vibrations in the wheel. This drives really, really nice. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. And we're gonna do that panel by panel. So they upgraded the tires. Got 285, 45, 22 open countries, all-terrain 3s. Ton of tread left on them, so those look perfect. Looking at the wheel, I don't see any curb rash. The finish on that looks amazing. Barrels are nice and clean. Here on the paint, looks like some bugs kind of splattered on here and possibly etched into the clear, so you're gonna see a couple little spots there. A couple rock impacts. In this area, you're gonna see some little impacts as well. Got the gloss black trim here, that looks really nice. A couple small rock chips. Got gloss black all the way down the side. Of course, you're gonna see a little splatter. Light imperfections. Now this is really nice looking. That pillar is super clean. This has purpled just a little bit, which is super, super common on all of these. And it's just that piece. So you can see the difference in gloss. Has a slight purple hue and then gloss black. A couple rock chips. Got the window tint. And in this area, some really light impacts here and there. Got a chip there. That looks good. See a little marking there. You have some larger rock chips here. That pillar looks good. Tires look amazing. Here on that wheel, zero curb rash. That trim looks good. Gloss black roof. I mean, this side looks really, really nice. You're gonna have a couple small rock chips and little impacts. You can see some spots where bugs have kind of etched into the clear. So if you have bug splatter, leave it on there too long, you'll see that light imperfection there. Got a rock chip. Here is a gloss black vinyl on the hood. Gives it a really good look. Those look really nice. Here's another view of that. So you can see some like kind of bird poop sat on there. Almost kind of put tiny little spider cracks in the clear there. Lens looks good. Typical rock impacts on the front end. You're gonna have some larger ones like that. All very common and normal for the miles that's on the car. You're gonna see chips right here. Nothing out of the ordinary. Lower side looks nice, so really pretty front end. The rest of that fender looks good. That wheel's perfect. Once again, this section is purple just a little bit. You're gonna see that hue on it. A-pillar looks nice. Overall, the mirror's clean. Got a chip there. Overall, that lower section looks really good. That wheel's perfect. Paint is absolutely gorgeous. You can see the depth in it. Looks really, really good. Brand new tire back here, never been driven on. You can see the little bumps still. Do see some gashes right there. It's hidden behind that tire though. The rest of that looks awesome. Really, really nice. And then here in this lighting, you can see there probably was a light scuff here. I kind of wet sanded it and it just needed to get polished out to get that little haze out of here, but it is nice and smooth. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker and it is really, really nice. Buttons look amazing. All of that's nice and clean. Oh, that's in great condition. A lot of storage here. Got a little cubby in there. That trim looks good. A little bit of blue jean kind of transfer there. The rest of that seat looks awesome. Looking at the steering wheel, you have the Alcantara. Still really soft. Matted down in a couple spots, but overall really nice. That screen looks good. Looks a ton of storage. Really, really nice interior. All right, looking at this door panel, upper section, absolutely beautiful. Handles nice and clean. I see a tiny little, I don't know what you would call that, just a little nick out of that, and one here. It's very subtle though. Nice and clean, lots of storage, all-weather mats. Little marking here. Not sure if that's something that can come out. Bottom looks good. These seats are really nice, super comfy. Tons of storage here on the bottom side. You can even see it here up top. Wireless charging pad. Ton of storage in here. And you have a ton of storage back here with USB-C, and then you even have a pass-through right there. You can see all the way across. That's super cool. No wasted space, really. That looks really good. All right, checking out this panel. Really light scuff on the plastic. Looks really good. Got the all-weather mats all the way across. Here on that seat. Looks amazing. Seat backs look good. All of this looks really nice. 2 more USB-C ports and climate control access. Got your panoramic roof. Ton of space back here. Looks really good. Here on this door panel, there is a little scratch right there. That looks good. The seats look amazing. You do have a light scuff right there, if you can see that. Just a little light marking in here. The rest of that looks good though. Here on the back, that looks good. There's the gashes right there. A couple small scuffs. Got the all-weather liner. Looks good. Got an outlet here. You can see a fan. You can control some climate back there. That looks cool. You can raise and lower the suspension from back here. The rest of that looks awesome. Really nice back here. All right, checking out the engine bay. All that plastic is nice and clean. And you do have some flaws here on the writing. It's kind of flaking off. The rest of that looks really good. Underside of the hood liner, that looks amazing. All of that is in perfect condition there.